Hey, TikTok homebrewers, you ever have a problem where you use OxyClean to scrub out the inside of a carboy or other fermenter, or in my case, this flask? What I did, I put a little OxyClean in it, and then normally I just let it soak overnight because it had a line. It was a starter. It had a line here where the kreuzen was and a little bit coming up the sides. So a little OxyClean inside there and some warm water. The OxyClean will, all the bubbles coming up will scrub off the inside for you. Then all you have to do is rinse it out. I do the same thing with carboys, but you can see I spaced it out. And inside of there, all those little spots, they're rock hard. I don't know if you can hear that, but it feels like sandpaper in there. I'll show you a little trick to easily clean that out without scrubbing it. I don't like scrubbing anything I don't have to. And it's just very simple to get rid of that. I'll show you here in a sec. So the trick is just use a little star sand. Don't just spray the inside of it, with a bottle of star sand. Just a little bit inside there. And then fill it with water and let it soak. So the object isn't to be really sanitizing it, but it will sanitize it. But like if you just spray the inside of it, dump out any excess, just so it's all contacted with the star sand, dump out the excess and leave it soak and just let it dry out, that's not going to do it. It needs to have a good soaking. So we're going to just leave this alone until tomorrow. So it's the next day. Let's see what we got. We'll dump this out. It's been soaking now for probably 18 hours. I'll get that rinsed out and see if the inside is free of all those little specks of whatever that was. So there you have it, the OxyClean buildup of the spots inside, overnight soak. All those spots are gone. It's good to go. No scrubbing involved. So next time you space out your glassware with OxyClean scrubbing out the inside, just let it soak with the normal dilution of star sand. Pros.